everyone, I'm Shkil Ahmed. Hope you all doing good. In this session, we're gonna discuss and present an amazing software that is Visme. Visme is the #1 online design software for non-designers. Create presentations that match your brand, interactive infographics, and beautiful graphic designs. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. Next one is Visme. This is another very good presentation softwares, and you can see its interface. It could have interface similar like previous softwares, but on the left side you can add the shapes, lines, arrows, animals, food, whatever you want to add, you can add it. This is another good presentation software which can enable you a drag and drop presentation software. Like, no need to go with the complicated things. It can offer you all the users the tools they need to create not just compelling presentations but also infographics, data visualization, and you can prepare the reports and product timers and resumes as well. And it is packed with a million of free images and thousands of vector icon graph tools in any style and hundreds of fonts available, and it allows users to create virtually any type of visual content in its custom design. Like in custom design, you can prepare the virtual design by yourself. The feature is you can publish and share anywhere, and you can share in the form of URL, or you can embed that URL in your website as well. And it's really easy that you can prepare online and no need to carry your presentation with you. You just need to copy the URL and share with your audience, share with your colleagues. And you can manage the privacy control, who can see your project. This is another interesting option, but for sure it would have to go with the pro version and present offline. You can download these presentations in the form of images, PDF or HTML5, so you can share with your colleagues to present. You can add animation and interactively to any element. This is really interesting feature that you can insert call to action buttons and videos, surveys and quizzes, and call to action buttons means you just add different features which can help to animate interactively all the elements. And analytics also available, that is access combined statistics of project views in one place, so you can access all of your statistics for all the projects in one place, so you can easily manage them online in Visme. Another feature is HTML based, so runs on any browser and devices. There is not a specific browser needed, or there is no problem with this one. So HTML based means like you can run on any of the browser. There is not specific browser needed, or you can generate leads with presentations and import PowerPoint. Even in this software, Visme allow you to import your PowerPoint presentations inside this software, and you can make them more interactive and work as a team. This is important feature for those who have the team in different locations, or they are working from remotely in different countries, so they can prepare the account with Visme and they can work as a team, and they can access collaboration and content management too, so everyone can perform their task on the one presentation. So we are going to start the demo, and it would be interesting, I hope.
Is you, and this is the box. It represents the way you're used to creating visual content, restricted by traditional tools that limit your creativity. This is not a box. There are no boundaries and no restrictions, allowing you to step beyond borders where you'll only be limited by your imagination. Visme is an online tool that empowers you to visualize and present your ideas. It's easy, intuitive, but powerful as well. A perfect marriage between the key features of a presentation and a design tool. So you can create virtually any form of visual content, from engaging presentations and infographics to reports, interactive demos, graphics, and even visual resumes. Visme gives you everything you need in one intuitive interface. Start from hundreds of easy to customize templates or create your design from scratch. Tap into over 100 beautiful fonts, thousands of customizable icons. Search and select from millions of images, or upload your own. Customize virtually anything. Edit, crop, or frame your images. Apply your own color schemes to icons, and much more. Translate boring data into beautiful and easy to understand visuals. Create professional charts and graphs, and tap into our one-of-a-kind data widgets to visualize stats and figures. You can even create interactive maps with your own geographical data. Want to go beyond static content? Animate anything. Create engaging content in the form of pop-ups, interactive buttons with hyperlinks, or links between slides. You can upload audio files or record your own voiceovers and easily insert online videos or upload your own. Publish and share online. Make it private with one click or download for offline use as an image, document, or HTML5. Use all of this and more with an easy-to-use intuitive app that runs in your browser and will transform the way you communicate your ideas and tell visual stories. It's time to step out of the box and start visualizing your ideas. Visme, one simple tool for creating amazing visual content.